In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on your videos in CapCut. So I have here a video and it is already on my timeline. So to remove the background, go ahead and tap on the video like that. Then scroll down here until you see the option called Remove BG. And here it is. If we tap on it, you can either use auto remove or custom remove of your background, or you can use chroma key as well. So for the auto removal, if we tap on it, there's a pro option. It will go ahead and remove the background on our video. And now if we go ahead and play it, you can see it doesn't have the background. Once you have removed the background, you can also go ahead and customize the cutouts so that those parts that were left out should be included in your video. And you can also use the brush to determine the size of your cutout on your video. Apart from the auto removal, you can also use the custom removal. If you tap on it, this one is free. You can go ahead and use the brush to remove the specific parts or to cut out the specific parts that you want to remove on your video. So you can also use the chroma key, and if you tap on the chroma key, you can select the specific background that you can remove, and here you can adjust the intensity, the shadow, feather edge, and also clean up edges. So that's how you remove background from your videos in CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.